Let's make a creamy mushroom and spinach pasta with chicken. Start by salting your water and bringing it to a boil, then boil your noodles for at least 10 minutes. Tenderize 2 large chicken breasts and season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and paprika. Season with the same seasonings on both sides. In a hot pan with a little olive oil, fry your chicken breasts on both sides for 5 minutes. Now remove the chicken breast from the pan and set to the side. Now add 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 of a diced onion, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Throw in about 1 pound of sliced mushroom and saute that until your onions are clear and your mushrooms are brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of chicken broth and 1½ cup of heavy cream. Stir until everything is mixed in well. Now add 5 ounces of spinach. Try to submerge the spinach as best as you can. Then cover and let simmer for at least 5 minutes. While that's simmering, slice your chicken breast into thin slices. Remove the cover and mix in the spinach. Now season with 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Mix that in well. Now add fresh Parmesan cheese over the top. Add your pasta and mix in well. I added a little more Parmesan cheese just to get it a little creamier. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Now check out my video for creamy chicken marsala.